Hi guys, in today's lecture I want to show you how we can configure CloudWatch logs for our web server. So in today's video we already have a EC2 instance which is our web server. So I want to push Apache web server logs into my CloudWatch in order to see the logs and filter out them. Let's see how we can configure that. Let's go to EC2 and see. Here we are already running a web server. So I want to connect to it. Here it is establishing the connection. So yeah, it got connected. So here is our web server which is already been running. So now I want to push Apache error logs to it. Let's see how I can do that. First of all, you have to get this AWS logs agent setup py file. So it is a Python code which can download the CloudWatch agent, and later we can configure that CloudWatch agent to send Apache web server error logs. Let's do it. Okay, we have successfully downloaded AWS logs agent setup py. Now we have to run that script. So here is the command to run that script, and I want to make the region US East 1. There are 1 to 5 of step. The step 2 is downloading the latest CloudWatch logs agent bits. So it is downloading. Still the setup is going on. So it has downloaded agent dependencies, etc. Yeah, it got downloaded, and now there is a step 3 configuring AWS CLI, AWS access key ID, AWS secret key, access key. So since I don't have IAM user, let me create IAM user. See here there is already a IAM user. Okay, then we can give the credentials of it. What all permission that it has. CloudWatch. Okay, CloudWatch logs. Actions. Put dashboard. Okay, I'm just checking whether this credential has the ability to push the logs to CloudWatch or not. So it has that ability. Okay, then I can simply create access key for it. I'm utilizing it in the CLI. I'm confirming. tag value, it is cloud user access key. So now I got one access key followed by one secret access key. So after this session, this user will be revoked. So we can't utilize these credentials again. After this session, let's paste it. And also let me paste the secret access key as well. Default region US East 1, yes. Default output format, I'm not specifying any. So path of log file, so here I have to pass on the Apache error log file path. And let me paste it. Okay, destination log group name, what I can mention the log group LL logs. I'm giving the log group name. Choose the log stream name. I can use the EC2 instance ID. Choose log event timestamp. I can choose one. Choose initial position from start of the file. More log files to configure. No. I said no. Step 5, setting up agent as a daemon. So it got set it up. So now we have installed CloudWatch agent and we have configured that Apache error logs has to be pushed to CloudWatch. Now let's see whether we are getting error logs into our CloudWatch or not. See here, I'm going to log groups. So I have set the log group name as error log when I'm configuring CloudWatch agent. See, the log stream name as instance ID. See, I'm receiving the logs. That's it.